Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Walmart. Also, remember, we do have a giveaway going on right now, so you need to make sure you watch the entire video to see how you can participate. But let's dive in. To get us started, we got some great deals on some of these outdoor power tools right here from Hart. These are some good options. You see there's multiple different ones. You'll see them all throughout the store and actually at another store as well. But they have a lot of these combo kits, so if you need some of these combo kits, you can grab some. And they also have just different ones here, from string trimmers to blowers and even to edgers right here. So you can see some of these deals. It's a 13-inch one here on sale. 78 bucks is a pretty good price, and you can even see some more options right here for a 98 bucks as well for different ones. So if you need some of these, this is a great option for you. They even have some of the brushless options as well for the string trimmers. So again, great brand. Hart's a solid brand. It's Walmart's brand, but they're definitely going to do a good job for you there. Then we even have a few more options. We have the little bit different string trimmer kit here. So another great deal on this. You will need to make sure that you do have the batteries for this, but we said this one right here is $100 off. So if you need to get the string trimmer right there, you can get one for $100 off, which is really nice. Then we even have a few other options as well. So you can see some of these different ones. Some of the batteries are on sale as well. Then we also have the Greenworks brand. You can save a few bucks on some of these outdoor items. You can see some of the string trimmers here and blowers and some of the combo kits. So again, some solid deals on these. I've never used the Greenworks brand, but I've heard some positive reviews about that. Then we even have some of their lawnmowers. We see again, it's from the Hart brand. Self-propelled options right here. You can see some of these are on sale. You can save a little bit of money on these, and we know, again, we're all the way in summer, so we're definitely going to need some of these. We also have Greenwork options as well, and most of these are nice because they do say what size lot they recommend. You can see some of these are a full acre, or some are just a half acre, so whatever you might need, you can check and they will let you guys know. They also have a few other options. We see this clearance one here, so if you need one of these, again, Yard Machine, another solid brand. They're going to do a good job for you, and more clearance items as well. Y'all can let me know if yours are on clearance down in the description. I've been to a few different Walmarts just checking to make sure all the prices are the same, and so far they have been. Some are picked over more than others, but you can kind of check some of these out. Again, a lot of good deals right here. Then we even have some deals on some grills and other just fun items for cooking outdoors. Some of these are just kind of the single use, and you can check some of those out. And then we also have some of the portable grills as well. So if you're going to be doing some camping or just anything outside, these are some solid options to check out. We also have the Blackstone, the 17-inch one on sale. That's a solid one right there, especially if you're going to be camping or just taking it to the lake. You can even compare it to the 22-inch grill right there next to it. And then a couple other options as well, so you can see some of these prices. Then we have some sales on some Kingsford charcoal, solid brand, definitely going to do a good job. So if you're going to be grilling the next few months, you definitely want to grab some of these bigger bags, save some money. And we can see a lot of these right here were picked over, so you can check some of these out. Kingsford, like I mentioned, solid brand. They also had a lot of their 4th of July gear out, so if you want to grab some of that for the future, or just grab some fun stuff for 4th of July next year, definitely an option. They also had some of their lights on sale and some of these pliers, so it's always a great thing to grab and check and see what might be on clearance. Then they had a few other fun things. You can see they have this Blackstone grill tool. They also have the motor cover, so if you need to get one of those, you can definitely do it. Then they had the mesquite chunks for $5. They also had some Keurigs on sale and these door handles, which we've seen now for the past couple months. Then back over to a few other deals. They had some of this Hyper Tough tools on sale. That one is a great one for a little trimmer. This one you get to save, about 20 bucks here. Some of these Hyper Tough combo kits and even multiple other Hyper Tough deals. Again, these are at a couple different stores, so you can let me know in the comments what is on sale at yours. But these are some great trimmers right here as well, and chainsaws. Then we see a few of them have been picked over. This right here is missing, and then we also have a battery on clearance at this store as well. Going to run you about 75 bucks. And then we see a couple other options here for different trimmers, Hyper Tough brand. Again, it's a pretty solid brand. I've heard some good things about them as well. And then we can try to see just a few other of these tools. These were just at a different store, and they were all just piled on one another. There were a lot of items on clearance, but you kind of have to see what's available. Again, a lot of the string trimmers and a few other just items like that. So if you need to grab some of those, definitely can do that. We even have, again here, some hedge trimmers. Solid brand for that. And some of these you get to save 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and even some, like I've shown you, you get to save $100. So it just kind of depends on what's going on, but a lot of different options here in the Hart brand. And like I said, I'm trying to show you as many as I can because they just kind of had them all piled up, almost looking a little bit like a Black Friday sale, just with everything piled in there. But they had a lot of different ones, a lot of different options. So you have to go and check and see what's available at your store. But a lot of different ones here just kind of in this pile. And they even had more string trimmers and more hedge trimmers as well right there on the side. Then we have this chainsaw on sale here for 166 bucks. Again, solid deal right there. Then we also had multiple different options for the gardeners if you need some starting mix here. This is the natural and organic option is on sale. Then we also just had some other options. A lot of these were picked over, as you can kind of see at my store. These are some pretty good deals. So some of these are 10 bucks off. We had some weed and feed. We even had some of these are just trying to get your garden back going, little spot treatments and stuff like that. So you can check and see if these are available. We even have some Scott's Triple Action Turf Builder. So you can get some of these on clearance. And then again, just a bunch of other options right here. So whatever you might need, type of fertilizers or any type of things like that. Even had a few of the smaller bags as well. Trying to move a lot of this stuff. So if you need any of these, you can definitely go and grab you some deals. Then we also had multiple different charcoal on sale. We have some of this Royal Oak lump charcoal. Get some of that. Pretty good prices on that option. Then we even had a few different other ones that I've never heard of before, so you can check some of these out. Then I wanted to show you guys just a couple of other options at a few more Walmarts. You can see some of these are a couple of the portable grills that we saw earlier and a couple of different ones as well. So you can see pretty good prices on these kind of have dropped. So if you want to grab some to take with you wherever you're going to go, whether that's the beach or the lake or whatever that might be, there's some great options here for traveling around. That's pretty cool. And then we also see, again, just some different ones for the Blackstone like we saw earlier. This is the price for the 22-inch, and the cheaper price was the one for the 17. So you can see right there, it is lower than 100 bucks for the 17-inch. So pretty good deal, pretty good price on that. Then even for 64 bucks, you can grab this little option as well. So you can grab that for grilling outside. Then just wanted to show y'all some good deals right here on this outdoor pool. Pretty good option on that. Then if you like getting outdoors and camping, they had a lot of deals on some of their outdoor stuff and some of their camping items. You can see some of the stuff for grilling, also the tool set, even some of their cast iron and some of their first aid kits as well. So if you're going to be getting out there camping, this is some great stuff to go and check out. Again, a lot of the Ozark Trail brand options here, but pretty good stuff. They also had a lot of their water bottles. So if you want to grab some of these water bottles, getting outside, good stuff. Then they even had a few deals on some of their like boat gear stuff. And then you could grab some of the turkey deals that are still available. A lot of these, as you can see, have been picked over. But if you're interested, you could definitely go and grab some of these slates and a few of these other calls as well. Some are still available. Then we still see this heart bag option. If you want to grab that, you can. And then we also saw a couple shop vacs on sale. You can see some of these pretty good prices here as well. So if you want to grab some shop vacs, save you a little bit of money, and get some of these that look pretty sharp into your house or your shop, this is a great thing to pick up. Also saw some of these grills for 57 bucks. And then, like we've seen, a couple different charcoals on sale. Also saw some of these chairs. So if you want to grab some of these chairs for outside. And then we found a few more clearance items in the back as well. You can see this one for 200 bucks. Get you a solid lawnmower right here. I think that's a great pickup. Again, $200. Then we also see some outdoor seating. Really good price on that. Gonna do a good job. Also, a few more clearance items. We see this Easy Gear Kit here from Wilson. Also see some beach chairs. If you guys need some of those, pretty good drop in price right there. Some of the larger lounging beach chairs. Then even some other things that you might need just around the house. Filters and dishes and just different things like that. So a lot of just different stuff here in this little clearance section. We also saw a few more tools there, and like I mentioned, just all kind of random stuff. But we did see this for sale. You see that, and then again another good option right here for this blower for the Hart brand. You get to save a lot on that. So always be keeping an eye out for these because you never know when you're going to find a good deal. And hey guys, just a reminder, we're doing this giveaway for the Dovo laser level. This thing is great. It has multiple batteries, as you can see right here in the pack, and the charger. And it comes with a cool features as in this little carrying case. Also has this little rack that you can set it on to shoot your level all over the place. So whether you're looking for a DIY option or something to take on the job site with you, I think this is definitely a great option for you. And if you're interested in joining us for this, all you're going to have to do is comment Dovo laser level down below in the comments for a chance to win. You're also going to need to be subscribed and live in the US, but this is a great option. Or if you just want to check one out, I'll have a link below as well. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Walmart. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.